in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, central Dallas County in north central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. At 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over a villa, or near Glen Heights, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, take cover immediately. This dangerous storm will be near a villa around 6:05 p.m. Cedar Hill, Glen Heights, Red Oak and Cedar Hill State Park around 6:10 p.m. DeSoto and Duncanville around 6:15 p.m. Lancaster around 6:20 p.m. Hutchins and Cockrell Hill around 6:25 p.m. Highland Park around 6:35 p.m. Mesquite and University Park around 6:40 p.m. Garland around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pecan Hill. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 35 east between mile markers 408 and 436. Interstate 20 between mile markers 454 and 477. Interstate 30 between mile markers 32 and 63. Interstate 45 between mile markers 272 and 284. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.